APORA is an AI-powered pick management system that helps you increase same-day deliveries, reduce error in picks, optimize your workflow that makes it easier to pick accurately and deliver fast. APORA takes control of orders as soon as they are received, and continues till the products related to each order is accurately delivered to respective bins. Modern distribution centers have to enhance capabilities to cater to multiple channels, retail outlets and e-commerce. This demands a different kind of an automation. By going totally paperless, APORA offers swift and intelligent workflow management that helps tackle high-volume orders with optimum resource. Intelligently assist a picking eliminates requirement of knowledge of inventory locations in the warehouse. Scan verification prevents wrong product consignments, thus eliminating sales return. APORA's pick management is not e-commerce or B2B focused. It delivers a hybrid proprietary methodology, Opti-Pick, which can revolutionize DC activities and generates more revenue. Mobile-based interface eliminates device dependencies and heavy investments. Providing item location information handholds new hires and temporary workers to quickly scale up to optimum efficiency. With API connectivity, APORA can integrate with the existing warehouse management system. Whether you are an e-commerce, 3PL or wholesale distribution center, APORA will seamlessly adapt to your workflow to deliver great efficiency and cost optimization.